Wow, go on, people. Thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Now, we're telling you from early Olympics coverage, you know, so we get some interview on them thing with the athlete. Them. And we not left Japan till we get at least one interview. So today, my producer, them, I don't know how them did. We work some magic people. And we get an interview with Mommy Rocket herself, Shelly Fraser Pryce. So, Mrs. Fraser Pryce, we're not going to hold you up too long, you know. We're not going to hold up too long because we know say you just done race and them thing there. We want to make sure you can go and eat your food and get your beard up on them thing there and you know, put the wig for dry and them thing there. But Mrs. Fraser Pryce, there are some questions that come in from the viewers them. And we want to ask you, a main question everybody asks about the wig them. The wig them want to know about. Alright, me say you have the most wig at Japan right now at the Olympics. That's true or false?
No, yes.
Oh wait, no, Mrs. Fraser Pryce. I really question the people them want to know, you know. I want to find out Mrs. Fraser Pryce. Can I get reliable source, you know? I tell me say you carry 3 suitcases go to Japan and one eye suitcase them full of wig. I true that or false?
You can't serious.
Hey, I tell you, people them want to know, you know. People them really want to know. Because right now, you know, they give it 3 weeks so far, you know. As a matter of fact, me say you supply the whole of the camp with wigs. So Ilian change her wig, Mrs. Sharika change her wig, and me say you supply the wig them. But I want to find out, since we are go to the 4x1, you know, if we make it to the finals, we get a new wig?
No, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Alright, since you not answer them questions then, you laugh, right? I not pressure you and thing, you know, but I make you know, I not put undue stress on you, see me? But I make you know, so because of you and this executive wig thing, you know, the wig price in Jamaica about to jump about 50%, you know. Just because of you after the Olympics, wig price gone to the sky, you know. So how you feel if you know, say, are you cause the wig price and figure ways in Jamaica?
You not pressure me so much.
So I not pressure you, man. I not pressure you.
Yeah, pressure me.
Alright. Go and go beat on them something. I not pressure you. People, thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. We're giving some more interview on them to know. We'll get the athlete them. Big up on yourself. You don't know.